This isn't over! Form your ranks! Hold together! Get clear!
Beard of Thor! What is that?
Odin, help us. Catapults!
Get to the ships!
No! No!
Not that one.
I was a fool. Lead the men to the far side of the island.
Right.
Go with the men.
I think I'll stay, just in case you're thinking of doing something crazy.
I can buy them a few minutes if I give that thing someone to hunt.
Then I can double that time.
Here!
Oh, no.
No! Me!
Rough, tough, watch your backs! Move, fishlings!
Look at us! We're on a dragon! We're on dragons! All of us!
Every bit the boar-headed, stubborn Viking you ever were.
Go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.
Thanks, Dad.
He's up! Get Snotmouth out of there!
I'm on it first! I'm ahead of you.
No, this way! Don't push it!
Your teeth out!
No, yeah, will that work? Get down! Did you get her? That thing has wings. Okay, let's see if it can use them.
You think that did it? Well, he can fly.
Okay, Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud. Here it comes. Let's see if this works. Come on! You're the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Hold, Toothless.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly to try.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly do it twice.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared.